Hello, welcome to Forex Infinity Profits. Continue to follow me and subscribe to me for new updates in the future. Press the subscribe button below for new updates. Stay tuned. Hello guys, this is Ron Ian again. Hey guys, today I would like to share with you. By the way, today already Friday, and the market is going to close by today, Friday, and October 20. So right now I would like to show you, because I have the trade call. I think yesterday. Is it yesterday? In my group, in my chat room group, that I going to sell the New Zealand US dollar, and I would like to share with you how I analyze the market, how I approach it to make a trade call about it. So on front of you right now, you can see the New Zealand US dollar, and you can see here that I have already the entry here. This is my sell entry, my sell trade right now. So first of all, you can see the history of this market, New Zealand US dollar daily time frame. You can see that a lot of ranging here is like a seesaw here, up and down, and again here is I got here the body structure here. Then it's go down again here, up there. Then I see a good opportunity here yesterday. Well, after I see that the price is from the bearish here, from the downtrend of this price. Then I see here the price is from the downtrend, and it got a pullback here. The price rise here and suddenly drop again here. Then I see yesterday that the price is in this position. And I see that the price was having this kind of, I think not yesterday. As I remember, this candle here the other day. Okay? So right now in front of you, I see that the price was in the, and by the way, this kind of analysis that I did in New Zealand US dollar is based on the behavior of the candlestick, how the candlestick work, how the candlestick give me some clue that I need to sell. So I saw that the price having, you can see here that the price have a lot of strong, repeatable rejection here in this price. So then the price break it, and it's going to do a retest. So the thing, it gave me a clue that I need to sell here is this candle here. This candle is come back here, and it reached out this area again, and it show me some kind of like a doji here. It's like a pin bar here. It's a doji, and you can see the doji here in this area. Then I'm thinking, oh, the doji was here. Then I found out that the strong resistance here from support, it break and it become resistance here. And I found out that the price, then I go open my Fibonacci retracement here. I open it, my Fibonacci retracement, I draw it, and I found out that the price was stuck in this 61.8 Fibonacci level. So I put my position here. I put my so in that day I already saw that the price already break the low of this candle, and it seems going to have a confirmation here. Then I just enter here and I put my stop loss above this candle here, my above my clue here, my signal here, and I then after that I saw the price accelerate, and until now Friday already got 150 pips. I already got 150 pips from this trade. So if you go to scroll down, you can see the 161.8 here. 161.8 here, Fibonacci level, which is the possible area that I can get my profit here. So probably you can see here from the history a lot of rejection here. Maybe here I will going to exit here. When the price come down here, I still have around 100 pips down. So it means it total from my entry I will get around 250 to 160 pips of profit from this trade, New Zealand US dollar, which is very good because I have a good risk reward here. Can you imagine? I'm going to lose around like say 771 pips. So if I multiply my 71 pips, or let's say 72 pips times 2, so I will get 100. I should have 144 pips for a good risk reward, which is 1:2. I'm going to risk the 1 in a reward of 2. So if I from my entry here, if I get around 235 pips, it's good. It's awesome, because I risk 72 pips. It means I will get 1:3, more than 1:3. Okay, this trade is very very good because my risk versus my reward is good enough for me to survive in the market. So that's why I always think I'm practicing now to at least get 1:2 to 1:3 risk reward. So in the end of the day I will win. I'm not going to lose money. So after when I'm have the experience in the market, my discipline is getting aligned correctly to become more profitable trader. So, and this is the New Zealand US dollar. So I will share to you also my other call same time with that same time that I call. So this is the Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay? Aussie and US dollar. So I have a opposite of the trade here, which is my stop loss here below this candle also, and my entry was here in this area. So I got here around. This one I exit manually because I see that the possible bearish for the Australian US dollar, which is now I see that the US dollar is getting stronger compared to the other major currency, and and I will share to you also now because I have the analysis. I think this last Monday or about the GBP Japanese yen, the US Canadian dollar, and Singapore dollar, US dollar, Singapore dollar. So I will share to you the update of the trade that I got that I had, which is there's I see a significant changes in the price action. So I closed it with profit, and the other one is I lost it. Okay, so I will share to you right now also how I enter. So here I exit here, I enter here, I exit here, then I got around 20 pips here in profit. So let's give me to show you my other trade that day. So I have a trade also in you see here, this is the GBP Australian dollar. This is also right now I have already around 100 pips, around 100 pips, 120 pips here. Okay, so my stop loss was above here. So, and my target is here in this area also, which is significant for me to go out here because of the possible consolidation here. So this trade is good enough for me. It's a very good trade also. You know why? Because my risk reward is good enough for me to become a winner here. So I will risk here around only around 100 pips, and my target is around, my target here around, I will show you, 500 pips. It means I will risk only 100 to get 500 pips. This is which is this is 1:5. I risk 1, I get 5. Okay? So this is GBP Australian dollar, and I have this is the analysis that I have this last Friday or this Monday, the GBP Japanese yen. I told that the price here will bounce here, and you will get here some pips, and it's correct. If you still inside here, you still have, because maybe your stop loss was below here or here. Probably your stop loss was below this candle, or let's say here, because I analyze it using the top-down approach, using my structure analysis. So probably here that you still have around 76 pip profit here if you still inside. If you not inside already because you already closed, so we can still wait for the good opportunity here to sell. Okay, if I were you, because of the structure of of this pair, you can see up and down here. So a good opportunity for you to sell here. Okay, for me this is right ranging here, but it's not good ranging. So we can expect this one to drop now. Okay, and your stop loss probably above here in the structure. Stop loss here or here. Okay, so I don't care if I hit my stop loss here. Okay, because I'm playing the probabilities here. So and probably here my stop loss here or here above here, and but you can see my reward here. But you can see my reward is good enough for me also to make a good profit here, maybe here or here or here. Probably my will go out here. If I enter here now, it means I will have a very good 700 pips, 730 pips here, compared to my stop loss, which is 160 pips, maybe 150 pips, my stop loss here, or then you need to 150 pips, 150 pips multiplied to 5, 750. So I will get also 1:5 here, 1:5, which is very good enough for me to get a good result here, 1:5. Okay, so you will win 1, you will get 5. Okay, this is GBP Japanese yen. Now my bias is selling based on the latest price action. Okay, and USD Canadian dollar also. So right now you can see that the price here. So I told you here to sell here, but I see some changes now in the price action, which is there's, for me now it already changed. You can see here this area here is already stuck above of my support here after the break here. So it means, for me, it telling me that my advice now to sell here is not already valid, already invalidated, already not valid for me to sell here. So my advice now here is to buy here, to buy this pair USD Canadian dollar. Okay, so let's see if I buy here. I put my stop loss below here. I put my stop loss below here. If I lost, never mind. I lost is loss. Okay, if I lost here, but my probabilities to make a big profit here is big. Let's say I will get out around this consolidation here. If I enter here right now, I will risk only 100 pips, but I will get also 500 pips here. Same with the other pair like GBP Japanese yen, which is 1 to 5. Okay, and let me share you about the USD Singapore dollar. So I told you right last time. I remember I analyzed the price around here. So I got here already around 65 pips here of win. So after that, I told you that I will exit here around here, this area, if I see some kind of changes here in the price in the price behavior. So I found out here. So my bias now is to buy here. Okay. So the possible here, the possible risk reward here is big. But I'm not going now to enter to buy here because of the major resistance here that I see. Okay, there's a resistance here now, which is not good for you to buy here. What I'm going to do is I'm going down again. I'm going to do the top down approach, and I will look now. I'm going to look to break this area of I will wait for the price to break this one and give me some clue to if I need to buy here. Okay, so if I buy here, yeah, buy is buy. Okay, maybe the price give me like that, some clue, so I buy, so this is the possible scenario. Okay, so I'm not going to do anything again for this one because now I don't have entry for the USD Singapore dollar now because I already exit here, my selling here. So now I'm going to buy here after the break of the significant area of level here, area of price here. Okay, so thank you again, and this is Ron again, and Forex Infinity Profits, and thank you. See you again.